Society for the Education of the Challenged educates children with physical and multiple disabilities from the low economic sector until the 7th standard. After the 7th standard, the students are encouraged to complete their education in mainstream schools. Students have physical and multiple disabilities and are from the low economic sector, ages 14 to 45 years, with different levels of education. Creation covers support in learning in mainstream schools, whereas inclusion is full participation in life. Mainstream education is Program 1, which covers financial support, assistance in education, transport, medical appliances. Program 2 is skill development and entrepreneurship training. Program 3 for students with severe disabilities. And Program 4 is workshops.
नाव हर्ष ज्ञानेश्वर जाधव आणि ताईने मला खूप चांगलं शिकवलं आणि मला इंग्लिश पण येते आता आणि ताईनं नवीन नवीन ऍक्टिव्हिटी आणायची आणि होमवर्क पण द्यायची.
मेरा नाम स्मिता सावंत है. अर्चना मैडम ने मुझे मैं कुकिंग, किलोग्राम, ग्राम ये सब सिखाया. अर्चना मैडम बहुत अच्छा सिखाते हैं, बहुत अच्छी मैडम है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो उनको फिर से बुलाओ ना एक बार सिखाने को, वो बहुत अच्छी मैडम है.
मेरा नाम जीज है. मुझे काजल टीचर के साथ सीखने में बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि काजल टीचर ने मुझे बड़े पैराग्राफ छोटे कैसे करने के वो सिखाया और बहुत सारी चीज जो मुझे मालूम नहीं थी और मेरा ग्रामर भी थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं था तो वो भी सिखा दिया. मुझे बहुत मजा आया टीचर के साथ सीखने में. थैंक यू.
Personally, I can now confidently say that couldn't have grown and learned as much as I have in these past months since the internship. The main lesson we all have learned from this organization is that how we maintain authorization and the balance between being firm and friendly and also being impatient with the progress. Thank you for nurturing us and giving us the platform to apply our theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge amid this pandemic. This will become a lifetime experience for all of us. We will adore the cherishable memories for the rest of our life. In conclusion, we are all grateful to you all. Hope we get such opportunities in the future too. And lastly, Mansi, Dwij, Harsh, Smita, Dilip, Nikhil, Ajinkya, Rishikesh, Saif, Umar, Pawan and Utkarsh. हमें बहुत 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 अच्छा लगा और मजा भी आया आपको सब कुछ सिखाने के लिए और हम भी बहुत कुछ आपसे सीख चुके हैं. उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ सीखे होंगे और हमें वापस से मुलाकात करने का मौका मिले. थैंक यू सो मच.
A little bit about SEC and the wonderful students that they have out here. A salute to you all. It's very easy to do things for easy people, but it's very difficult to do things who require hand-holding because they are struggling to be at par with whatever minimum or whatever maximum limitations or assets they have. Inclusivity is the buzzword at Manibal Nanavati Women's College. Whether it is in terms of gender or whether it is in terms of class or minorities, you name it, inclusivity is the buzzline at Manibal Nanavati Women's College. That's the first I. Second I is internship. During this corona times, it's very difficult for the institutions, again I, to send out students because when you talk of internship, you need to be on the ground. You need to be a part of the field work. You need to be with the people around you. Then only you actually learn the actual lessons of life. And that is happening on this e-platform. My students are making it possible for your students, SEC. And what could be a matter of more pride for me than that? So inclusivity, internship, coming together on e-platform is something which I will cherish forever in my life.
I've quickly written up something, and I'll just quickly go through it. I would like to add that our students have especially benefited from this partnership with Maniben Nanavati Women's College. For SEC to provide a safe environment where students of Maniben Nanavati Women's Child Development Program could not only apply their learnings, at the same time fulfill their academic internship requirements, is what may be seen on the surface. However, I have personally seen the deep positive impacts of the learnings on our students in some form or the other. For instance, Ajinkya has made real progress with his impulse control, with regards to his speech, while Smita, who aspires to become a chef, has learned to apply the principles of mathematics that she had, learned in school to further her aspirations. In both cases, in fact, in all cases, our students have received a huge boost in confidence, which has brought them closer to SEC's goal of empowerment. And my sincere gratitude to all volunteers, and Maniben Nanavati school and teachers for their role in achieving this very important goal that our integration and inclusion program is striving towards. Thank you. Sincerely appreciate it. Thank you.
Important thing from SSC I have received is that my girls are very happy to work with the students. Like they always used to share कि आज उसने ये सीखा मैम और हमें मजा आया है ना. Every time they had something new to give in the next class. कि अच्छा उसने ऐसा नहीं किया तो हम आगे क्या कर सकते हैं. So I guess your purpose is solved, my purpose is solved, and I guess students are going with a rich experience. So as an institute, we are benefited a lot, and I have a heartfelt gratitude from my side, from Maniben Nanavati College to SEC for giving us such an opportunity, because I never thought of developing IEPs with the developmentally appropriate, because this was one of the innovation I can say from CD department for this year, because we always focus on the developmental areas. But having IEPs with the developmentally appropriate practices was something new which we have done for the first time. And I guess in the history of CD department, this has happened for the first time. And that too at the undergraduate level. So a big kudos to my institute, to SEC, to the students who have actually made this possible.